In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best rollerblades in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. When you're learning to skate, you need support and comfort. And LeCoultre's black professional inline skates offer both. Designed with a stable aluminum frame and a sturdy outer shell, the skates are durable and supportive. We like that they're designed with other beginner-friendly features, too, like supportive high cuffs and a low center of gravity. All these sturdy details will protect and stabilize your foot, making it easier for you to balance. Though these LeCoultre skates may not look as cozy as skates with soft boots, they don't skimp on comfort. The skates come with removable memory foam liners, which will cushion your feet as you get used to your skates. The skates are also lined with breathable vents to keep your feet from overheating. And they're equipped with shock-absorbing bearings, which smooth out any bumps in the road. Number 4. One of these overall brand recommendations is FR Skates, and she suggests their FR series is a good introduction to inline skates for beginners. The FR FX80 skate's hard plastic shell gives great durability as you learn to skate. Bearings on this skate are designed for an easy glide, and the 480mm Street King wheels offer a good balance of stability, speed, and maneuverability for beginners. We love that you can grow with the skate and series by either upgrading and replacing parts as you progress, or by continually graduating through the series models, F3, F2, and F1. The series models look almost identical, Lena says, with slight improvements as you move up. Speaking of moving up, the sizing runs small, so it's recommended to buy a half size up. Number 3. RBXL is the only skate in the market specifically engineered in sizes 14 to 17.5 to provide the durability and performance for skaters with larger feet. The boots and cuffs are strategically reinforced for support, and the frame enables the ideal balance with optimal wheeled positioning. This unique product provides comfort and reliability with excellent performance features to ensure an enjoyable skating experience. The RBXL structure is specifically engineered and designed for larger feet. The reinforced shell has the ideal mix of flex and lateral support to fit comfortably and provide stability that some larger skaters will need. The performance liner is comfortable and has the right amount of padding in the tongue and ankle areas to cushion the feet for a more enjoyable ride. The 90mm 84A wheels and SG5 bearings keep a lively skate pace with maneuverability and a more appropriate and controllable speed. It is an ideal wheel and bearing combination because it makes the ride a little more fun than beginner skates, but does not make it too intimidating for those wanting a little more velocity. The durable 13 inches aluminum frame helps keep skaters closer to the ground with its low-profile design for enhanced balance and stability. Being closer to the ground when skating adds more response, confidence and control with turning and skating abilities. Number 2. We pick Rollerblades Zetrablade women's inline skates as our top women's pick because they're comfortable, durable, and easy to use, an ideal combination for recreational skating. The skates have a low center of gravity, supportive high cuffs, and a durable composite shell. These features will stabilize your ankles and feet as you skate, making it easy to maintain your balance. To keep you comfortable, the skates are lined with plush memory foam. This padding will adjust to your feet over time, so your fit will start snug and become more personalized as you skate. These features, combined with easy-to-fasten buckles and grippy wheels, make these rollerblades great for recreational skaters who need rollerblades that win on convenience and comfort. Number 1. Maneuverable and flexible, there's a lot to like about the K2 Skate Trio LT100 inline skates. From casual cruising to more strenuous workouts, these versatile skates deliver all-around performance and functionality. Equipped with 3 100mm wheels and a mesh and synthetic boot, These blades are designed to enhance speed and range of motion while skating. Flexible cuffs and an anatomically shaped foam liner with ventilation provide ample comfort and a snug fit. The aluminum frames are an upgrade for many entry-level skates, improving handling and power transfer while shedding weight to reduce fatigue. This higher-level skate still maintains some handy beginner features, namely a heel brake and lacing system with a lace locking tab. The skate is further secured via a cuff buckle and 45-degree power strap. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.